Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread in an air fryer. First, gather your ingredients like flour, yeast, water, and salt. Make sure your air fryer is clean and ready. You'll also need a small, oven-safe pan that fits inside. Understanding these initial steps sets you up for success. We'll cover everything from mixing to baking, ensuring a delicious loaf. Now let's get our hands dirty and prepare the dough. Start by combining your dry ingredients, then slowly incorporate warm water and a touch of oil. Knead the mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise for approximately 1 hour. Once risen, gently punch it down to release the air. With your dough ready, it's time to shape it. You can form a small loaf or several individual rolls depending on your preference. Carefully place your shaped dough into the pan you prepared earlier, ensuring it fits comfortably. Let it rise for a second time, about 30 minutes, to achieve that perfect texture. While it's proofing, preheat your air fryer to the correct temperature. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious bread. Place the pan in your preheated air fryer and cook at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, remembering to flip it halfway through for even browning. Look for a beautiful golden brown crust and an internal temperature of 200 degrees. Once done, cool your bread on a wire rack before slicing and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.